How's it going, everyone? I'm Grant with Quake LED, and today I'm going to be showing you everything you need to know on how to work the application that controls your HD halo headlights. So you guys are here because you have one of our HD Halo products. So whether it's the headlights for the Polaris RZR, the Jeep JLs, or one of our 7-inch variants, they all use the same controller, which uses the same application. So the first step is going to be pairing your mobile device to the headlights themselves. So this is a pretty simple process, although it can be somewhat confusing because it is particular with the way they want to do it. So the one thing I will say to not do is to pair to it like you would a stereo or a Bluetooth speaker, and that's the issue that a lot of people make, is they'll go into their Bluetooth settings on their phone and look for devices there. That is not what you want to do. So essentially all you want to do is make sure that the Bluetooth controller is getting power itself. When it's getting power, you should go ahead and see the halo ring actually light up on the headlight itself. Then we are going to make sure that the Bluetooth is on the device itself. So now that you guys are successfully connected to the headlights themselves, let's talk about the actual interface of the app and the way that's going to control your Quake LED headlights. On the home page of the app, it's going to open up and you're going to be presented with this color wheel. So this color wheel is going to correspond to the actual color of the halo ring itself. You do have your 6 preset colors down below, but then you can use that color wheel to get to any off shade of any color. If you do find a color that you would like to save, say this hot pink, you could click this little plus icon that's down there at the bottom of the screen, go to that pink, click OK, and then it is saved. So I just added a couple presets, which you'll see from the screen recording. At the bottom navigation bar, you can go over to the mode section. These headlights, as I'm sure you all are aware, have over 120 different rotating and spinning effects. So in this mode section, that is where you are going to control this. So scroll through them, find the ones you like the best. The top slider is going to control the speed of the effect, so you can slow it down, speed it up. Definitely a really neat thing to do. The third option is going to be your music option. So as long as you have music downloaded on your phone, you will be able to go through and actually let that strobe to the beat of the music. So let's see. So that's pretty neat. All right, we got to stop that due to copyright. No. And then when you click out of the music section, then you can go in and change everything else again. So a few other things that you'll notice in the app, at the top left, there's these 3 drop downs. That's where you can actually check your connectivity to the headlight. So if it doesn't automatically connect, you can go up in that top left and look at your different devices. When you are connected, you'll notice everything will be highlighted in green, and there is almost a little linked icon that shows you are successfully paired. In the top right of the application, you have your settings wheel. So this is going to give you a little bit of a manual, a little bit about the app. You can control your language settings here, but it's also going to give you your chip select. So if for some reason your headlights are not lighting up all the way around, you can go into this chip selection. It's also called the number setting of LED, and you'll have an outer ring and an inner ring. The inner ring is for the fog lights if you have them, and the outer ring is for the headlights. So you'll notice as I change this, it is going to affect the amount of chips that are being selected in the actual headlight itself. So there's going to be the lowest, and you can see it definitely changes the effects quite a bit when you do that. Other than that, I think that's really it. Most people that have these headlights are going to set them to a solid color, and the Bluetooth controller will remember the color that you set it on last. So you can see we have them on green. If I cycle the power, it might take a sec due to our power supply box. Perfect, capacitors are dead, and I turn it back on, you can see it remembers that green color. If you guys do have any questions or this video did not help you successfully connect to your headlights, give us a call at our office number, which we will link in the description below. But I hope this was helpful. I hope that you guys are enjoying your new HD Halos. As always, do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, leave a comment. Oh, I said comment. Leave a comment below. Do that. Hit the bell. We love it. And stay tuned for more awesome content coming your way. Enjoy it, guys.